Hey guys, welcome to Living Life with JV. I'm JV, and today I'm bringing you a clean with me my kitchen refrigerator video. My refrigerator is a mess, so join me in cleaning out this refrigerator. Hope it brings you inspiration to clean yours during this quarantine. Also, just hope all is well with you and your family, and that you're safe at home, and if you're working or have to go out, you're using precaution and wisdom. And that's all I want to say about that. So let's get back and get to the video with cleaning this refrigerator. First things first, I have to remove everything from this refrigerator and get rid of anything that is expired, old, or moldy. So get a close look. Yep, this is it, guys. Check out the door. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to remove everything and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I just want to come back on and show you that I cleaned, or rather I pulled out all the stuff off the first two shelves. I'm going to do the last two shelves, drawers, afterwards. So I'm just spraying the cleaner, and it's the hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose cleaner, so it's not that strong. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this out, and I'm going to clean the whole refrigerator and come back and show you what it looks like, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I took everything out of the refrigerator and stocked it all on my counters, and this is what we have. Ta-da! Now I didn't get the stuff on the door yet, but everything inside has been removed and cleaned and wiped down. It looks so good. I'm proud of it. So next I'm going to put the stuff back in, and then I'm going to clean the stuff on the door and do the same thing. Hey guys, just wanted to show you my clean refrigerator. Everything in its proper place, organized, neat, clean, even the shelves. Everything is in its place. Yep. All right. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to say I finished the refrigerator. I showed you. Hope it gave you inspiration to clean your refrigerator during this quarantine. Anyway, I am tired, and I'm getting ready to get myself ready for bed and work in the morning, because I do have to telework during this quarantine. But I just wanted to send you an encouraging word to be safe, use wisdom, stay inside if you have to, unless you have to go outside for important things. If you're an essential worker, or you have to go get something to eat to feed your family. Otherwise, stay in, trust God, stay prayerful, be encouraged, and check on someone else. Text, call, see how someone else is doing. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Love you, and have a good night.